Hey, what's up everybody? Today I got some exciting news that is going to blow your mind. Well, the world's tech giants Mark Zuckerberg of Meta and the CEO of Microsoft coming together what seems to be an epic meeting of the minds. Oh yeah, they're diving deep into the future of artificial intelligence. All of a sudden, the next big wave in tech is going to be all about AI, and that is where this groundbreaking partnership comes into play. Meta and Microsoft joining forces means they're gearing up for an AI revolution that will redefine the world as we know it. With these two tech giants combining their expertise, it is going to be one heck of a challenge for others, especially Google, to keep up. Now, don't get me wrong, I have faith in Google's power, but let's face it, this partnership is a game changer. And there's this fascinating development that has been buzzing around the tech world, and you might have heard about it. And in case you haven't, here is the scope. Llama 2, the large language model that is causing a stir. We had Llama 1, the next gen open source language model that got everybody talking, but here where it gets interesting. When Meta first introduced Llama, it wasn't meant for public release. Somehow the source code for Llama, their first gen language model, made its way onto the internet, and well, you can guess what happened next. But Meta decided to roll with it and officially release Llama 1 to the public, at least the way they could have some control over it. And here is where things take a fantastic turn. After that unexpected episode, Meta had a change of heart. They decided to embrace the power of open source and share the love with the tech community. That's right, they started open sourcing all their language models and giving them away for free. Well, the master plan behind Meta and Microsoft's partnership starts with Llama 2. The next level of their groundbreaking language model architecture. You see, the genius move behind Llama 2 is that Meta and Microsoft want to build an AI ecosystem that any fine-tuned version of the next-gen AI programs can be based on. It's all about establishing their dominance in the AI landscape. And speaking of fine-tuned versions, enter Vicuna, an open-source chatbot that blew minds with its impressive 90% GPT quality. Guess what? It was based on the first-gen Llama model. And get this, the cost to train this powerhouse was $300, and you could run it on your trusty MacBook without the need for internet access. Now here is where the game gets even more intense. Meta knows that open source is a force to be reckoned within the AI world. By consistently releasing powerful language models like Llama and now Llama 2, they're taking the lead in the open source realm. It's a strategic move to maintain their edge and dictate the future of AI frameworks. But hold on, even Google knows what's up. Internal memos revealed that the real threat to their generative AI initiative isn't from companies like OpenAI, it's the open source communities. Hundreds of independent developers worldwide rapidly building upon these models, creating innovative AI applications without the enormous costs. And now Llama 2 trained on 40% more data than its predecessor, and it can maintain twice the context length. Translation, you can have longer conversations without the AI forgetting what you said. Llama 2 is leading the charge in the open source benchmark, making it to the go-to platform for solo developers and companies to create the next-gen AI systems. Alright, let's talk numbers now. Llama 2 is showing off his powers in various tests. On the MMLU, it scored an impressive 68, while on Trivia QA, it reaches 85. Not bad, right? Natural questions, a solid 33, and on the GSM 8K, it rocks a 56.8. Every single test showcases significant improvements as the model size increases. And boy, do we see a clear upward trend. To ensure accessibility across devices, Llama 2 comes in 3 different versions. 1, a 7 billion parameter model. Number 2 is a 13 billion parameter model. And number 3 is a hefty 70 billion parameter model. Pick your poison, folks. All these can be fine-tuned to suit the specific needs. Now, Llama 2 might not be acing the coding test, but some clever Twitter users have managed to make it code simple Python scripts. Yes, you can have your AI-powered coding assistant right at your fingertips. And of course, guys, we cannot ignore the elephant in the room. Open source AI models can be a double-edged sword. Meta is well aware of the risks involved. They've acknowledged concerns about potential misuses of their AI tools by individuals with malicious malicious intents. To address these concerns, Meta has implemented safety measures like red teaming to ensure they're staying ahead of the potential threats, and they've even put out guidelines on what you can and you can't use the language model for.